Here's how to reattach a zipper pull after you've taken it off. First, you're going to grab the right side of the zipper. You're going to cut off a few of the teeth without taking off the zipper tape. Just trim up and then across to only take off those teeth. Set that aside. Then grab the left-hand side of the zipper tape. You're going to face the pull round side up and slide that onto the zipper. This part's pretty easy. Slide it down a bit. Next, grab the side that you've cut the teeth off of. You're going to slide that into the other side until you feel a little click. Then you can grab both sides of the tape with one thumb, grab the slider and pull it up. That's it. The next level is to switch the pull colors on your other zippers. This is a fun detail that I love.